Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to make Windows 10 bootable pen drive. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. To make this happen, you have three things. That is pen drive that can enough to install Windows 10, and Power ISO is installed in your computer, and Windows 10 setup. So if you don't have Windows 10 setup or Power ISO, what you have to do is just go to your browser. In my case, I've used Google Chrome. Then open the browser and just type Windows 10 download, Windows 10 ISO file download, and just hit enter. Then you can see the first option, official Microsoft website. Go to here, download Windows 10 disk image, and scroll down a little bit. You can see there's option called download now. You can download it from here. Okay, then it will be downloading. It will take some time, so I was download previously, so I don't do that again. And Power ISO also, you can just search for Power ISO. You can see first option, and first option again, Power ISO website. This is free tool, and it has a paid version also, but in this tutorial we can just use free version. So just tap on download here, then it will be download the setup. Then after you can install and use it. Alright, so if you complete those steps, you have Power ISO in your computer and Windows 10 setup. Then after, what you have to do is you need to insert the pen drive into your computer. I will go to this PC here. You can see these are only hard drivers. Now I am at the pen drive here. Yes, you can see my pen drive is visible now, but currently it is empty, so I didn't install it yet. So what you have to do is just close it and go to search bar and search for Power ISO. Yes, this is the application. Just tap on it, and please remember there are some other tools you can use for this, like actually I don't know, I don't remember that one, but some tools doesn't work correctly. Sometimes your Windows installation will be corrupted, so then you will be trouble when during you install the Windows 10. So as experience, I think Power ISO is a better tool and best tool for this operation. So if you see this kind of message, just tap on continue trial version. Alright, now what you have to do is just go to tools option here and scroll go down, and you can see there's option called USB tools, and there's another option called create bootable USB drive. Just tap on it, and it needs to run Power ISO as administrator. Just tap OK, give yes. Now it is again open with administrative permissions. Wait for complete this. Okay, now go to continue trial version, and you can see this kind of window appeared. So you can see it is already identified my pen drive. It is 16 GB, and if you to install Windows 10, you have to at least minimum 8 GB pen drive. Okay, after that you need to give the Windows 10 setup file. You can see there's an option called image file, and there's another option called small folder. So just tap on that folder here, and you have to select the ISO file. In my case it is in desktop. Go to desktop and set the Windows 10 file and tap on open. Now it is added to the Power ISO menu. Then after, what you have to do is you have to select the boot mode. This is not done by yourself. You have to check the boot mode in your computer. To find that, you have to go to this PC and right click on it and go to manage here, the third option. Wait for loading. Okay, after you go to computer management, you have the option called disk management. Just tap on it. Okay, it will open my hard disk menu, and this is the pen drive, and this is the SSD drive, and this is my hard drive. I am going to install the Windows 10 on my SSD drive. So you have to right click on here and go to properties. In the properties menu, you have to go to volume section. In volume section, you can see there is an option called partition style, and it is set as GPT. So you have to make the Windows installation also in GPT format. So once you identified this, just tap on OK and close this one, and you have to select second one, GPT FAT32 format. After all these things completed, what you have to do is you just need to start. Then it will be start to install the Windows 10, and this will be around, and it will be asked your data in the USB drive will be overwritten. Just tap on OK. So you have to keep the pen drive cleanly, otherwise it will be format completely. Tap on OK. Okay, you can see files are prepared. In total size is 5.4 gigabytes. So after complete this one, your pen drive will be converted into bootable pen drive with Windows 10. So then after you can install the Windows 10 in your computer. So this is how you can make your pen drive into Windows 10 bootable pen drive. So if you gain some knowledge in this video, please consider subscribe and like in the video. Thank you.